Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, beautiful and trendy woman crochet 2-pocket scarf designs, new ideas, beautiful ideas, latest fashion ideas for stylish ladies. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women. Gorgeous collection of crochet 2-pocket scarf designs, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and stylish crochet 2-pocket scarf patterns. Mind-blowing designs and ideas. You can see every design is different, beautiful and trendy. You can easily make these very beautiful scarves if you know crochet work. Top designer ideas you can see. If you want to buy this very beautiful woman crochet 2-pocket scarf design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Stylish colors, color combination contrasts, beautiful designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Upcoming season ideas you can see. Give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy woman crochet 2-pocket scarf designs. Handmade ideas. Best top designer ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.